that I'm recreating today is going to be based off of this photo right here that I found on Instagram of this fabulous makeup artist, and I will go ahead and put her username below the photo. And the first color that I'm going to be using is this matte pink right here. I have no idea where this came from. I think it's from MAC, and I think the name had love in it or something like that. And I'm going to pick up quite a bit of it because it's a light color. And I'm literally just going to pack it from corner to corner and into my crease. And the reason why I'm patting it on is because I want that pigmentation. Then you want to go ahead and blend it out. And for this look, I'm going to be blending it pretty far up my brow bone because this is a transition color, even though it's a bright pink. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place Zulu Palette. And the first color that I'm going to be using is this one right here. The next shade that I'm going to use from the Zulu Palette is this beautiful purple right here. And again, I'm layering the eyeshadow on the same exact way that I did all the other colors. The only difference is I'm going to try to keep this lower instead of blowing it all the way out. And I'm patting it on. Then I'm going to go back into the pink from the Zulu palette and just soften that purple. Make sure that it transitions well into the other colors. So now I'm going to go into my Morphe 35P palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here in the inner and outer corner of my eyes so I can add some depth. I'm going to put it right out here. Keeping it close to my lash line because I don't want to blow this way out. I really just need the depth right in the inner and outer corner because this is a halo. So what I'm going to do is blend this kind of sort of into my crease and create my own crease as well. And then I'm gently pulling it downward while going up because I don't want to create any, you know, misplaced lines. Then I'm going to take my blending brush and just gently blend those out. Purples are really, really hard to work with, y'all. If you're gonna work with a purple, prepare yourself and just keep blending, you know? Okay, so now I'm gonna take some white concealer and I am going to cut this halo. I'm not even looking at the picture right now. I'm going completely based off of memory. But I do know that in the photo, her halo was pretty high up. So, okay, so I want it to be like right there. Just like that. And then I'm just gonna put some I'm gonna take this right here. This is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores pressed powder. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and I'm gonna put it right on top. And I'm gonna come in on the sides and try to blend out the edges a little bit. Just like that. Awesome! I'm going to take a little bit of black from this Soft Glam palette and I'm using the shade Nior. And I'm basically just going to add a little bit of that to the inner corners. I know I said I was following a picture, but now that I got this eyeshadow on, I kind of like the way that it looks. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit more of the purple that I already have going on and just blend it in and try to make it a little bit more balanced. I like the white in the center. This all just worked out, you guys. This is what happens when I try to recreate somebody else's look. It turns into mine. Which is a good thing, because that just goes to show that, you know, you do learn something when you do imitate other people. And that's beautiful. As far as makeup art goes, I don't know about anything else. It almost looks like a lightning bolt to me, and I love it. I got these press-on nails, and I literally just tried scratching my head really hard. That was not smart. That kind of hurt. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Every time I pull this out, I always have the box with me because I literally get so scared that it's gonna get dirty and gross. Packaging is beautiful, but it gets dirty way too easily. I'm going to use my Inglot 77 gel liner, and I'm going to basically put a nice thick line across my lash line because I want one and I feel like it would look nice. So here we go. That was the easiest liner I've ever done with one of these kind of brushes. Wow. Okay, so while that's still kind of wet, I'm going to go back into Nior from Soft Glam. And I'm just going to set that because I don't want there to be a difference between my matte black eyeshadow and my liner. At least on the inner and outer corners. I think we did something. I cannot blend my concealer with you making noise. Say hello to YouTube. I'm going to take my black eyeliner from Estee Lauder. This is the waterproof one. And I'm going to use it as a base for all of the purple and pink. And I'm literally just going to reflect the colors that I used up here, down here. Then I'm going to take my blending brush and blend it all together. Then I'm going to go into my Inglot gel liner, and I'm going to line basically my waterline with this. I went ahead and put on some lashes. I'm going to put them down below. They're from the beauty supply store. They're called Miss Lashes. While letting my glue dry, I'm going to take this mascara sample that I got. It is Monsieur Big, and it's from Lancome. So I always get mascara samples in my Sephora Play box. And that is that, y'all. Go ahead and line my lips, and I'm using Spice from Estee Lauder. I'm going to take my Makeup for Melanin Girls Ronke Raji collection, and I'm going to wear one of these shades. So let me show you guys this collection real quick because I haven't got the opportunity to debut it like I want to. So these are the 4 shades. They are absolutely gorgeous. They come with a lip liner, and they're basically made for women of color. If you ever had trouble finding a new liquid lipstick or a new lipstick, period, this is the collection for you. I think you can buy these individually too. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you guys. So this is the lip liner. As you can see, it is super pigmented, very creamy, easy to apply. Takes little to no effort, and each lipstick has a different name for being nude or naked. So this is Desnudo. Really beautiful. Not even, I would say kind of peachy, but not too orange. Still nude, but it's a nice peachy nude. The next shade is Naked. This one I have worn quite a bit, to be honest with you guys. And I love it. It's so pretty. And this one has a nice warm undertone to it too, which is not common with nude lipsticks, if we're being 100% honest. Usually nude lipsticks have a pink or neutral muted undertone to them. The next shade is Flesh. And that's what that looks like. Again, really, really pretty. And these all smell like chocolate too. And these are matte. The last one is Birthday Suit. And that's what it looks like. This is a gorgeous nude lipstick for my beautiful ebony girls. Oh, that's so gorgeous. And again, the undertone is warm, so you don't have to worry about it looking ashy on you or looking gray. But that is the collection. I most certainly would suggest getting these, especially if you're a woman of color and you love nude lipsticks. They do stay on really, really well. I always top mine with gloss though, because I like a glossy lip, and since I'm not wearing my wigs, I don't have to worry about the hair from my wigs getting in my lips. So the shade that I'm going to be wearing today, I'm going to wear Flesh, because I haven't worn Flesh a lot. I've really been wearing Naked a lot.
I'm gonna go ahead and put on my earrings because your girl does have to go to work.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something, you know. And if you want to see more tutorials like this, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever floats your boat. Don't forget to subscribe or whatever. And leave me a comment down below telling me what's your favorite color to wear on your face or something. I don't know. I'm gonna see y'all next time.
Dedicated to the man.